Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Leonardo AI login issues, credit and account errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Leonardo AI, follow these steps to resolve credit and account errors. First, double-check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve login problems caused by stored data. After clearing your cache, restart your browser. Try logging in again using your registered email and password. If you're still encountering issues, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've reset your password, attempt to log in again. If you are faced with a credit error, check your account balance. Ensure that you have sufficient credits for the services you wish to access. If your balance appears incorrect, review any recent transactions or subscriptions. If discrepancies persist, contact customer support for assistance. Provide them with necessary details about your account and the errors you're facing. If you recently changed your email address, ensure that you're using the updated one to log in. Regularly check your spam or junk folder for any communication regarding account issues. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you are logging into the correct one. For additional troubleshooting, consider switching browsers or using an incognito window. This can help identify if the issue is browser-specific. Finally, ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version. If all else fails, reaching out to the Leonardo AI support team is your best option. They can provide tailored assistance based on your specific situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.